Welcome, KLE family, to our annual open house. We are so excited to have you here tonight. Please know that we have sent this link for the presentation, and we will also be sharing other documents tonight with you so you may follow along. On behalf of our administrative team and our entire KLE family, we welcome you to a very important parental involvement event that will help you learn about our priorities, emergency procedures, communication, expectations, and much more in order to support your child. Please feel free to reach out to us or members of our leadership team. We are here to help. Contact information is posted on our website, along with other information we send via email. These are our core values, mission, and vision statements. We work to support your child and encourage them to build these characteristics so that they may become confident and wise in their behaviors, knowing that greatness begins within each of us and the choices we make. We love for our students to take pride in wearing our KLE uniform and being an important part of our school. Our school priorities are very important. They support our district and KLE family values, mission, and vision. Our hard work over the years has contributed to our success as a top district school, a U.S. News and World Report Best Elementary School, a multiple Values Matter Miami Award school, and most recently, the first school in all of the district to be awarded with the Values Matter Miami Cup for our dedication to infusing core values in our inspiring work. These are our 5 priorities. But as you know, safety is super important, and we are fortunate to have a special access system to enable authorized entry to our buildings and cameras throughout, as well as a wonderful school resource officer and security guards. Best practices, expectations for our values, routines at home and at school. Attendance and punctuality are really important. Make sure to send an email to the address for all of our absence notes, and you may also attach doctor notes. It is very important for you to know that there is no leave early 30 minutes prior to dismissal. Please plan for any appointments accordingly. We encourage you to connect with us through social media. Make sure that you use the DriveLine app form for daily dismissal, and we also use it in the case of an emergency evacuation. Please keep the form in your car. Do not use a picture of it on your phone. Last but not least, please have government ID when reporting to the school and label everything. These are our 5 safety codes. We also use 3 whistle blows by school staff to get students' attention for guidance. And we practice drills with our students regularly. Hold, secure, lock down, evacuate, and shelter are the 5 codes that we teach our boys and girls. Daily attendance, arriving on time, and students leaving early has been a significant area of concern. Because of excessive days, we have created school criteria to ensure parents meet these responsibilities in working with us to support learning. There is eligibility criteria for field trips, special events, and dances, and other areas too. Students, make sure that there are no more than 3 excused, unexcused absences, no more than 3 days tardy or 3 excused early days combined. Appropriate behavior in all school interactions is expected. Students must be respectful of others, their communication, and school property. Academic effort is expected on a daily basis. Consistent completion of classwork, homework, and online sessions as specified. At KLE, we love to celebrate the success of our KLE family. We have rewards and consequences to help students and families understand our expectations. The attendance and honor roll carnivals and all of the end of the year celebrations have unique criteria. Communication is important for all. We must coordinate together. These are vital ways we stay connected. There are many calendars, the student agenda planners, and Schoology. We also have the electronic gradebook, text and email messages. But please know that no paper reports will be sent home. Student progress for report cards and interims, as well as on their software programs, is visible to you through the portal. Please learn how to monitor their utilization and grades so that you can access those results. Parent training will be scheduled, and we will invite you to please participate and learn along with us. Very important things to remember here. When you are involved with your child's education, they are more likely to experience success. Children need guidance, structure, praise, and discipline to develop appropriate behaviors. Attendance and punctuality are huge contributors to student success. This is your responsibility, and we really need your help. Our students and school are very successful because we focus on these essential characteristics and behaviors that make a positive impact, and we also celebrate their growth and improvement. This slide includes important information for parents working alongside us to support their child, especially because these early years are so critical. Hold students to high expectations. Promote respectful interaction and conversations. Encourage kindness. Set limits for their screen time outside of school. Promote a positive, I can do hard things attitude. Not perfection. Have them learn to persevere and solve problems with effort. Consistent improvement is important. Provide them feedback and guidance. Remember, they're little, they're young, they're still learning. Hands-on experiences for learning are also a priority here. All children are unique. Please do not compare them to others or siblings. We look forward to having you join our beloved KLE Family PAT. Please know that all proceeds go directly to your child's teacher to support programs in the classroom. We encourage you to attend our volunteer orientation, which is scheduled on September 18th. If you would like to become a KLE Family business partner, please reach out to us. We want to meet with you and see how you can help us celebrate our 50th anniversary year, which is going to be magnificent. Thank you again for attending this evening. And now I'm so excited to pass on these presentations to our amazing teachers who will also share vital information with you. Let's make it an amazing 50th year at Kendale Lakes Elementary. We are truly grateful. Have a wonderful night.